When Ford introduced the 2015 Mustang, there were a ton of new features. I mean, a completely different body, different chassis, independent rear suspension, Gen 2 Coyote, and a lot of little things that really made people happy. One of them being the puddle lights. The puddle lights are little lights that basically illuminate from the bottom of the mirror. Do they serve any purpose? Absolutely not. But they look cool and they make you smile and stuff like that. You know what? You want that when you buy a car. Now the problem is with the puddle lights, over time, they can develop issues. Sometimes they actually fall out of the mirror, they shut off completely, or they do what mine's doing, where the horse just kind of looks busted. It's not clear anymore. There's basically a little lens in there, an LED light shines through, and you get your horse on the ground. Or if you have a new GT350 or GT500, you actually get the snake on the ground. But again, over time, they can kind of go bad and they look like this. Now this is something that Ford would warranty in the past. We know a lot of these cars are outside of warranty, so today we're going to show you how to change out your puddle lights. These are the replacement puddle lights. Now these are genuine Ford replacement parts, and again they're sold individually or as a pair. So you have one bad one, you don't have to buy both, but again we have them both ways. And the installation is pretty straightforward. They're simply held in place by a clip and then a small wiring harness on the back. So obviously your puddle light is located right here underneath the mirror. The best way I find to get it out is a razor blade or a small knife. Basically just go to the back here, just slide the knife up in. Basically pull this down then, it'll slide down out of the way. Slide off the wiring harness. Grab your replacement light. I pull the door real quick, just make sure it lights up. Carefully slide it back up into place. Look for the front seated and click it into place. Does the puddle light serve any actual function? Absolutely not. Will it put a smile on the face of the owner and the passengers in the car? Yes, it will, and honestly, that's a good enough reason to replace them. If they go bad, as you can see, you're talking about a couple minutes per side to replace them. You'll be back on the road in no time.